Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and you're welcome to our YouTube channel, the celebrated Truth Teller YouTube channel. It's a channel that talks on many issues in life, social, political, on marital affairs. And today, the Truth Teller will be talking about a burning issue concerning the people from Edo State. It has come to the Truth Teller's table that most people from Edo State, the way they use the YouTube channels is we don't know how it is, but the Truth Teller will be able to tell us how he sees it and what should be done. Topic for today is a very burning issue also, and it's about the social media and how the Edo people are using it right now. So I will first of all introduce you to the speaker who is going to be answering the questions. And the person of Eda Uyi, you all know him, he's a very popular figure. He has been treating issues for decades now. And he's going to give us his candid opinion on this issue. Today's topic is social media and the Edo people. So welcome. First of all, welcome Eda Uyi.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
So today we'll be talking about social media and how it concerns Edo people. But first of all, can you kindly tell the viewers what is social media?
Yeah. Thank you so much for this question. It's actually a very current issue, social media. Social media is simply avenues, it's composed of avenues, through the internet, and it consists of so many platforms. For example, like the YouTube, the Facebook, the Twitter, the Instagram, and the Snapchat, and other social media platforms. All put together refers to what we call today the social media.
Thank you very much, Elder. But we see now that if you can tell us the benefits of people using social media.
Okay, well, social media is a very versatile and prolific, outlets where people can express their feelings. People can express what they think, what they want to say, what they want to articulate. So the social media has so many benefits. It has so many advantages, and but all the same, social media, no matter how good it may be, is a byproduct of technology that has come, to our use, that has come to our table to be used in expressing our opinions and sending messages and putting information across in a more prolific manner. All the same, social media has so many disadvantages too. If social media is well used, if it's used positively, if it's used articulately, if it is used constructively, it would bring good benefits, good results. But if social media is used the wrong way, if it's used negatively, if it's used in bad manner, then the result obviously is also going to be negative. So we are very concerned about how people use the social media. We want to be sure that, or in other words, we want to encourage our people to use social media positively.
Thank you, Elder, for giving us the benefit. And this is where it all concerns us as citizens of Edo State. It has come to our notice that the ever-presence of Edo people on social media, do you think it's having a positive or a negative effect on the people of Edo State? Because if you go to Facebook, you go to YouTube, you go to WhatsApp, everywhere, you see a lot of people from Edo State, especially Edo State, which is my concern, which is your concern. They are there giving out information, talking about this and that. Do you think our presence as people from Edo State has really helped our state, or given us a good name or a bad name or something like that?
Well, if I want to be very honest, if I want to be very candid about what I feel generally, I would not want to refer to individuals now, but if I want to express my general impression about how my people from Edo State are making use of the social media, well, I would say is both good and bad, but basically, I think we as a people are not using the social media good enough to achieve positive aims and objectives. Today from Edo State, we have seen in recent times people using the social media to cause a lot of commotion, to cause a lot of confusion, to cause troubles in marriages, they go on social media to disclose the secrets of people. They go on social media to tell lies and to promote hooliganism and violence all over the place. And most especially, I see so many Edo people using the social media to castigate people, to cause aspersion. In fact, it has reached a level where I really got concerned, where we see Edo sons and daughters using the social media to insult authorities, to insult political authorities, to insult to insult royal authorities, and that really cause for concern. Is very unexpected, is very unacceptable, and it is not civilized. I will not give a pass mark. Obviously, I will not give a pass mark to Edo people generally, about the way they use the social media. The social media should be used in a way that would enable us grow, that would cause us more progress, and to promote the positive things that we do. We must be productive, productive in making use of the social media. I want to say that at this moment, as of today, I would not give a pass mark to how my people, Edo people, are using the social media. So many people go on Facebook and they go on YouTube and they begin to use it to fight each other. They begin to use social media to create war, to create contention, to create litigating among themselves, to the extent that certain people have issues at home, like having issues like in the under a matrimonial roof. Before you know it, they bring these issues to social media. In fact, they start revealing the secrets of husbands and wives. They start revealing the secrets of friends, and some go to the extent of exposing even the naked pictures and videos of people on social media. That is very, very bad. It's very, very uncivilized. It's very barbaric. It's very, very unacceptable. So this thing that I'm saying now are being done by Edo people. Some Edo people, not all. They bring out even naked pictures and naked videos of human beings who have issues with them on social media. That is very bad. That is not what we want Edo people to do with social media. We want Edo people to articulate, to use the social media to promote our culture, to promote the positive sides of our tradition, to promote love, to promote togetherness and oneness and unity of purpose. That is what we want Edo people to use social media to do. We want to discourage in all its ramifications the use of the social media to cause contention, to cause commotion, to cause violence, and to destroy homes, or to insult institutions, to insult authority. We don't want Edo people to be doing that. I want to discourage it. I want to chastise it. And I want to appeal to my people to please use the social media well. Use it. Don't use it to fight. Don't use it to cause problems. Don't use it to insult your elders. Don't use it to reveal the secrets of people. I want to beg you people, I want to beg my people to please use the social media well. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Elder. Elder, the next question that I have for you is, okay, we've talked about what the effect, the negative way our people are using social media to like expose things that are not exposable, to hang their dirty linen outside for people to see. So what do you think should be done to curb this, the excesses of these people? What do you think can be done to make them stop using this social media as a weapon of mass destruction, instead of using it as something for them to like hook up with their brothers, hook up with old time friends, share positive ideas, promote the rich culture of Edo State, but rather they use it as a weapon of mass destruction. So please, can you tell the viewers, tell them, okay, what can we do to curb their excesses?
Well, thank you very much for that question. What I would say, what I would suggest, you see, it is very difficult to control people. It's a very difficult thing to control the minds and brains of people. I can only suggest, I can only put in my opinions on what I think should be done. I want to reiterate, I want to really emphasize that until people begin to take people to court, until people begin to sue people for defamation on social media, certain people will not stop using it the wrong way. For example, if you go to reveal the secrets of somebody, matrimonial secrets, social secrets, of certain individuals, and you come without their permission, without their consent, you go on social media and you blow it open to the whole world to see their secrets, their nakedness, their confidential matters. I think they have a right to sue you to court. No, to take a lawyer and sue you to court. And when they sue you to court, you are going to pay so much damages to that person. Whether what you said were true or false, it doesn't matter. It matters that he didn't permit you to do that. He didn't permit you to reveal his secrets. He didn't permit you to tell the whole world about what is happening inside his own marriage. All right? So I think what I would suggest to people is that, before you start using the social media to fight war, to create contention, please seek the consent of the people that you want to show on social media. Seek their consent, seek their permission, and if they approve it, you can go on air. Otherwise, don't show the confidential matters of people on social media. That is my own suggestion. But you see, before we start making use of the social media, we should also have it at the back of our mind that in an environment where there is envy, where there is lack of unity, where there is bitterness and hatred, people will not be able to use the social media well, because what they do on social media is what they think, is what they feel, is what they want to express, okay? So, which means I want to say that my people should embrace love. They should embrace forgiveness. They should be able to tolerate each other. They should be able to live together in harmony without rancor. And if that happens, that is the beginning of resolving the problems of using the social media in the negative direction. I want to encourage my people to love themselves, to be good friends. Adult people should protect the interest of each other. And if that begins to happen, if we begin to, irrespective of our political affiliation, irrespective of our political differences, it doesn't matter. We are brothers and we are sisters, and we are not here to to castigate each other and watch our dirty linen in the public. I want those people to embrace love, to embrace living together in harmony, to embrace tolerance and forgiveness. And if that happens, you will begin to see a change in how they use the social media.
Okay. Thank you, Elder. That is the candid truth from the truth teller himself. He has talked about this afternoon what is social media, what are the benefits of social media. He also talked about the ever presence of Edo people on social media. Are they using it for a negative cause? Are they using it for a positive cause? Which you all heard from the truth teller himself, and he said that he cannot really ascertain where to go, but from what he has seen, it is we are not using it the proper way. And he went further to give advice on how to curb these excesses of our people on social media. We should love one another, stop hanging our dirty linen outside, and at least be your brother's keeper. That's what I think it should be. So thank you for listening to the truth teller himself this afternoon. We'll be coming up with more and more topics, but don't forget to comment. Leave your comments in the comments section, share, and like our page. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you.